Hey guys, this is Devanshi Jaswal and I'm back with another property review for you guys. Today I am in Noida Sector 150, right in front of Ace Parkway. This project is very well constructed and a very gorgeous project. So without moving further in, let's talk about the locality first. This project is right in front of Shaheed Bhagat Singh Park and we have connectivity from here to Gurgaon, Faridabad and Delhi. You can even reach Delhi within 20 minutes from here. And the nearest metro station from here is Noida Sector 148. So let's move in forward and have a look at the property now. The project Ace Parkway, and this whole project is built in 11.3 acres, out of which 7.5 acre is the open area so that you get a lot of greenery around. Well, if I talk about the number of towers, that is 11, and in each tower you get 21 floors. As you can see behind me, there is construction work still going on and a few towers are already built. The construction technique that is used is Maivan construction, so we are gonna get premium quality. And yeah, the position is really soon, guys, so you can actually visit the whole flat and the sample flats are already ready. Let's come on in and have a look at them now. Guys, we are here finally at the lobby area of our tower, and as you can see, this is very well designed. Here we have the waiting area for guests, and then this side we have the reception table. If we talk about the height of this lobby area, this is double heighted and the ceiling looks really beautiful. So without further ado, let's move forward and have a look at our sample flat. So guys, we are finally at our lift lobby area, and if I talk about the number of apartments that we get on each floor, that would be depending upon the sizes from 2 to 4. And on this particular floor, we have 4 apartments. There are 2 apartments right in front of me, and then we have 2 apartments over here. All the apartments are ready क्योंकि इस particular property का जो position है वो इस ही year में होने वाला है, within a year हो जाएगा इसका position. That's why आप actually जो apartment है वो देख सकते हैं कि आपको क्या मिलने वाला है, क्या purchase करने वाले हैं. Now if we talk about the lift, we will get 2+1 lift in each tower, and that's about it. Now let's move forward and have a look at our apartment. Well, here we are in our 3 BHK sample flat. This particular flat is built in 1750 square feet, and now let's move in forward and have a look at it. Well, I'll mention the entry height, the entry gate height of this particular flat is 8.5 feet. That makes it looks really elegant and really good. Then we have this foyer space that maintains the privacy of your flat. Now come on in and have a look at it. Here we have our living and dining space. The total area of this space is 16 by 20, which is very huge and spacious. If I particularly talk about the living space, ये खुद में ही काफ़ी ज़्यादा spacious है. As you can see, we have managed L-shaped sofa over here and a coffee table right in the center. उसके अलावा we have a bookshelf and these decorative pieces. Even after that, we have enough space to roam around, and this makes it looks very elegant and gorgeous. So this is a sample flat. This is already customized. You can customize it according to you, according to your choices and according to your preferences. Well, this was our living space. और अगर उसके बाद हम बात करें, here we have our dining space. We have 6-seater dining space over here. And as you can see, बिल्कुल ऐसा नहीं लग रहा है कि congested है, आपको proper space मिल रहा है, properly divided है दोनों area. और यहाँ पे भी आपको अच्छा खासा स्पेस, रूमिंग स्पेस जो है वो मिल जाता है और इनफ स्पेस मिलता है कि आप कुछ और डेकोरेटिव पीसेस जो हैं वो यहाँ पे ऐड ऑन कर सकते हैं. नाउ लेट्स मूव इन फॉरवर्ड एंड हैव अ लुक एट द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ दिस फ्लैट, दैट इज द बालकनी. Well, the complete project is built in 11.3 acres and out of that 7.5 acre is green area. That means आपको ग्रीनरी जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा मिलने वाली है. और उसके अलावा आप देख सकते हैं कि मोस्ट ऑफ द अपार्टमेंट्स जो हैं आर पार्क फेसिंग अपार्टमेंट्स. And right in front of me there are some apartments that are under construction. Some are already prepared and as I've mentioned, जो पोजीशन है इस पर्टिकुलर प्रॉपर्टी का वो इसी ईयर में हो जाएगा, एंड तक विद इन अ ईयर कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. तो अगर आपको कोई भी क्वेरी है या फिर आप इस फ्लैट को या फिर इस प्रोजेक्ट को विजिट करना चाहते हैं, प्लीज़ याद से हमें मेंशन करिए, हमें कॉल करिए. हमारे नंबर्स जो हैं वो डिस्क्रिप्शन में हैं और उसके अलावा स्क्रीन पे भी मेंशन होंगे. नाउ लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड एंड हैव अ लुक एट आवर बेडरूम. Well, so this was our living and dining space. This is how it looks completely. Now let's move forward and have a look further. Right in front of me here we have the common washroom, which is also attached to a bedroom. And if I talk about the common washroom, you will get the sanitary fittings along with this. The tiles are fitted to the top and the size of this washroom is 5x7, which is very spacious. Now let's move forward and have a look at our kitchen. The size of our modular kitchen is 8 by 8, which is very spacious, and as you can see here we have working space, working slab on both sides. So you get a lot of area and this would not be very congested or anything. Also I would like to mention कि जो डेवलपर हैं वो अभी कुछ फ्लोर्स पे आपको मॉड्यूलर किचन प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं. सो इट कम्प्लीटली डिपेंड्स ऑन द टाइमिंग यू आर एक्चुअली वॉचिंग द वीडियो. अगर आपने ये वीडियो अभी देखी है, जल्दी जल्दी हमें कॉन्टैक्ट करिए बिकॉज अभी कुछ ऑफर्स चल रहे हैं. तो जो डेवलपर हैं दे आर एक्चुअली प्रोवाइडिंग द मॉड्यूलर किचन राइट नाउ अलॉन्ग विद द फ्लैट. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द किचन एज वेल. तो यहाँ पे फ़िलहाल हमें अच्छा खासा स्पेस मिल जा रहा है. और उसके अलावा ये जो कैबिनेट्स ऊपर दिए हुए हैं, यू विल नॉट गेट दिस इज़ हाउ यू कैन एक्चुअली मैनेज योर स्पेस, बट यू विल नॉट गेट दिस अलॉन्ग विद द फ्लैट. उसके अलावा इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट द फ्रिज स्पेस, वो भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा स्पेशियस है. आपको अच्छा खासा स्पेस मिल जा रहा है फ्रिज के लिए भी. तो एवरी थिंग हैज़ अ डिफाइंड स्पेस. नाउ ऑल्सो आई वुड लाइक टू मैंशन देन वी हैव हियर द यूटिलिटी एरिया, which is also quite spacious, that you can manage your washing machine or mop or the daily use items over here very easily. Well, we have had a look at our kitchen. Now let's move forward and have a look at our first bedroom. Guys, I would also like to mention the door height inside the flat is 7.5 feet and the ceiling height is 10 feet. which makes it more elegant and gorgeous. Now let's move forward and have a look around. This particular room size is 10 by 13, which is very spacious, and as you can see here we have a bed and night tables around. Still we have enough moving space. And I would also like to mention that this whole sample flat is designed by Miss Gauri Khan. That is why this is so gorgeous and the colors are very neutral and pleasant to our eyes. Well, let me show you something. Here we have the wardrobe space and this is how it looks. Well, you can manage something like this or customize your wardrobe like this as well, because this is gorgeous and very, very elegant. Well, this was our first bedroom. Now let's move forward and have a look at our second bedroom. Well, so this is our second bedroom and the size of this room is 12 by 13, which is huge and very, very spacious. We also get a attached washroom with this one. Now, if I talk about the room particularly, as you can see, we have managed a bed and night tables around. Along with that, here we have a sofa and still we have enough space to roam around. This is where you can manage your clothes. Here we have space for wardrobe as well. And then finally, here we have huge windows. और यहाँ से view जो है, that is gonna be awesome. यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा enjoy करोगे आप अपना time spend करना, because यहाँ से आपको natural light भी मिल जाएगी और साथ ही साथ एक अच्छा space मिल जाएगा. If I talk about the washroom, the personal attached washroom, the size of this washroom is 5 by 7. And we have the sanitary fittings, bathing area and the basin area as well. The colors are very neutral and very elegant. Well, this was our second bedroom. Now let's move forward and have a look at our master bedroom. This room is huge and very, very spacious. The size of this room is 13 by 13, and as you can see, here you have enough space to play with. You can actually customize a lot of different things over here. आप यहाँ पे चाहे तो अपना कुछ डेकोरेटिव एरिया बना सकते हो, या फिर जैसे यहाँ पे सिटिंग दे रखी है, कुछ इस तरीके से आप मैनेज कर सकते हैं. You have a lot of space to play around. Then we have balcony over here, which is again very, very spacious, and you will get a really nice view. As you can see, you will get the park view in front. Now let's move forward and have a look over here. Here we have the wardrobe space and the size of this area is 7 by 5. You have enough space to manage all your clothes over here and a dresser over here. I would also like to mention this is how they have customized it. So you can customize this flat according to you as well. You can maintain something else or some decorative pieces over there. That is completely your choice. Well, here we have some wardrobe space. Now let's move forward and have a look at our personal attached washroom. The size of our personal attached washroom is again 7 by 5. And this is really, really spacious and amazing. So well, this is how our master bedroom looks and I think it's gorgeous. What are your thoughts? Comment down below, okay? guys, this was our 3 BHK plus 3 toilets built in 1750 square feet and designed by Miss Gauri Khan. That is why you can see the whole interior looks gorgeous and every detail is very rich. Well guys, I would like to mention this is already customized flat and this is just to show you how you can utilize the whole space. जब आप ये फ्लैट लेंगे तो आपको रॉ फ्लैट मिलेगा एंड नाउ लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट द रॉ फ्लैट फर्स्ट. Well guys, now let's talk about the prices. The price of this particular flat, 3 BHK built in 1750 square feet, the starting price of that is 1.48 crores. And if I talk about the options, the first option that we have is of 3 BHK built in 1345 square feet and the starting price of that is 1.14 crores. The second option that we have is of 3 BHK plus servant that is built in 2190 square feet and the starting price of that is 1.85 crores. The third option that we have is of 3 BHK plus servant built in 2460 square feet and the starting price of that is 2.10 crores. And the finally last option that we have is of 4 BHK plus servant and that is built in 3220 square feet and the starting price of that will be 2.75 crores. Well guys, there are also 22 penthouse in this project. So if you are interested in that, we can also show you that or make you visit that penthouse as well. If I talk about the penthouses, the starting size of the penthouse will be 5,500 square feet and then we will have many variations. In every penthouse, you will get a swimming pool at the terrace and all of the penthouses will be fully loaded or you can say fully furnished. Also the starting price of the penthouse will be 4.5 crores. So also if you have queries related to penthouses, you can comment that down below. Okay guys, so now let's talk about the amenities that we also get along with the flat. Well, we get 51 sports zone in the whole society. And if I talk about the clubhouse, that is built over 35,000 square feet. That is huge. We get an indoor swimming pool in the clubhouse with temperature control. And other than that, we also get 2 more swimming pools in the whole property. So guys, now let's finally talk about the possession of this property. The possession date of this particular property is in June 2023. But as you have seen, the most of the apartments are already prepared. So they are going to present this property this year only in December. And you don't have to worry about the possession as we get to hear a lot of complaints about the possession problem. But you won't have to worry about this particular property because this is by Ace and Groups and they already have delivered amazing properties like Ace City, Ace Square and many more. They have ongoing properties, ongoing projects like Ace Divino. You can watch that video, that particular property overview on our channel. The link will be mentioned in the description below. And there are many more other ongoing properties as well. So you don't have to worry about the possession. It will be on time and there will be no complaints for sure. So guys, this was everything about Ace Parkway. I hope I was able to mention every little detail. Even after that, if you have some query, you can ask that in the comment section below or you can also contact us in the given number or you can ask your query on WhatsApp as well. We have the link in the description as well. So if you want to visit this property, do call us and visit this property. This is amazing and beautifully constructed. Now, at the end, I would like to mention, please suggest us more properties that you want to see overview on, we would love to work on that as well. So yeah, this was the video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, do comment on it, share it and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you.